Welcome to Science Snippets, Fun Facts and Trivia. Today, we bring you a new minimoon appears. Asteroid 2024 PT5 to orbit Earth for 2 months. Did you know that Earth is about to gain another moon? No, we're not talking about our familiar moon that's lit up the night sky for billions of years. This one is temporary, small, and a bit of a cosmic surprise. Introducing Asteroid 2024 PT5, Earth's next minimoon. This asteroid, discovered on August 7, 2024, by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, is a mere 33 feet or 10 meters in diameter. Despite its small size, it's about to do something remarkable. For roughly 2 months, from September 29 to November 25, 2024, it will become a short-term satellite of Earth. This happens when a small asteroid gets pulled into Earth's gravity, orbiting us temporarily before continuing on its journey around the Sun. So why do scientists call it a minimoon? A minimoon is a smaller object like 2024 PT5 that's temporarily captured by Earth's gravitational pull. These rare events give us a chance to see Earth with not just one, but 2 moons, even if only for a little while. Now, 2024 PT5 won't be a full moon you can see lighting up the sky. In fact, it's quite tiny compared to our moon, and at its brightest, it'll be so dim that even the most powerful backyard telescopes won't be able to spot it. But that doesn't make it any less fascinating. Scientists are especially excited because this isn't the first time Earth has picked up a minimoon. Previous events occurred in 1981 and 2022 with objects like Asteroid 2022 and X1. These satellite guests often return after a long journey around the Sun. Let's break down the timeline of this event. Asteroid 2024 PT5 will begin its temporary orbit on September 29 and stay in Earth's gravitational field until November 25, 2024, while it won't complete a full revolution around the Earth before escaping our gravitational pull. The brief visit is enough to get scientists buzzing about what we can learn from it. This is a rare astronomical event that reminds us just how dynamic and ever-changing our corner of the universe really is. So how exactly does Earth capture a minimoon like Asteroid 2024 PT5? Well, it's all thanks to the incredible power of gravity. You see, Earth's gravity isn't just strong enough to keep our atmosphere, oceans, and even our own moon in place. It's also capable of snagging passing space rocks, just like 2024 PT5. But not every asteroid that swings by gets captured. For Earth to grab hold of one, a few conditions need to line up perfectly. Asteroids that pass close enough to Earth and are traveling at just the right speed can get caught in what's called a temporary capture. This is when an object's energy decreases just enough for it to be drawn into a short orbit around our planet. In the case of 2024 PT5, its relatively slow speed and proximity make it an ideal candidate. This isn't Earth's first time capturing a minimoon. A similar event occurred in 1981, and more recently in 2022 with Asteroid 2022 and X1. These minimoons don't stick around for long though. They usually escape Earth's pull within a few months, returning to their original orbit around the Sun. But what makes 2024 PT5 unique? It's classified as an Apollo-class asteroid, meaning its orbit around the Sun crosses Earth's orbit. This asteroid has a path that's similar to Earth's, making it more likely to get captured. When 2024 PT5 makes its closest approach to Earth in late September 2024, the planet's gravity will give it just the nudge it needs to become a temporary satellite. Now, while this is exciting, 2024 PT5 won't stick around forever. By late November, the asteroid will escape Earth's gravity and continue its journey around the Sun, returning to the vastness of space. But this isn't the last we'll hear from it. Scientists predict it will come close to Earth again in January 2025, and once more in 2055. So, as you can see, these minimoon events are not only rare, but also offer us a fascinating glimpse into the dynamic relationship between Earth and the countless asteroids that pass by in space. You might be wondering, why do scientists care so much about these minimoons like Asteroid 2024 PT5? It's a fair question after all. They're small, temporary, and don't seem to have much of an impact on Earth. But in reality, minimoons hold a wealth of scientific value. First, minimoons give us a rare opportunity to study near-Earth objects near up close. These asteroids are part of a larger population of objects that orbit the Sun, occasionally coming close to Earth. By studying their composition and behavior, scientists can learn more about the history of our solar system and the materials that shaped it. Some minimoons, like 2024 PT5, may even have come from the Arjuna asteroid group, which follows a similar orbit to Earth. Next, let's talk about the potential applications for space exploration. Some researchers believe that minimoons could serve as stepping stones for future space missions. You see, many asteroids contain valuable resources like water and metals, which could be used to support space missions. For instance, water from asteroids could be converted into rocket fuel, making refueling stations in space a real possibility. Imagine a future where space mining companies harvest resources from minimoons like 2024 PT5 to help sustain human exploration of the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Finally, the technological advancements we use to track minimoons are important for planetary defense. As we improve our ability to monitor and predict the orbits of near-Earth objects, we also get better at spotting potential hazards. NASA and other space agencies keep a close eye on asteroids like 2024 PT5, tracking their paths and ensuring that none pose a threat to Earth. The data gathered from minimoons helps scientists refine their models and improve our ability to prevent a potential asteroid impact. So, while these minimoons might seem small and insignificant, they are actually critical pieces of the puzzle in understanding our solar system and preparing for the future of space exploration. Now, you might be wondering, can we actually see this new minimoon with the naked eye or even a telescope? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Despite its proximity, Asteroid 2024 PT5 is simply too small and too dim to be visible without advanced equipment. The asteroid will be about 3.4 million kilometers, or roughly 2.1 million miles away from Earth at its closest approach. But with a magnitude of 22, it's far too faint to be spotted by regular telescopes, let alone by stargazers. To give you some perspective, that's even dimmer than Pluto. Only professional astronomers using high-tech observatories might be able to catch a glimpse, but don't worry. Thanks to modern technology, you don't have to miss out entirely. Many space observatories and astronomers will track and simulate the journey of 2024 PT5. You'll be able to follow its path online through various animations and data simulations, allowing you to witness this rare event virtually. So while you won't see it in the sky, you can still experience this minimoon from the comfort of your home. Now, what happens after the minimoon makes its visit? As we mentioned earlier, 2024 PT5 is expected to escape Earth's gravitational pull around November 25, 2024. From there, it will return to its original orbit around the Sun, resuming its cosmic journey. But this isn't a final goodbye. The asteroid is expected to make another close approach to Earth in January 2025. And if the calculations are correct, it could return again in 2055. This kind of predictability is what makes studying near-Earth objects so fascinating. Each time an asteroid like 2024 PT5 passes by, it offers a new opportunity to learn more about how these objects behave and how we might interact with them in the future. As we wrap up, it's fascinating to think about how dynamic our universe is. Earth's relationship with space is far from static, and events like Asteroid 2024 PT5 becoming a temporary minimoon remind us just how alive the cosmos is. For about 2 months, we'll have a second moon, an invisible one, perhaps, but no less remarkable. These rare minimoon events offer more than just a fun fact to tell your friends. They represent opportunities for scientists to study near-Earth objects, track their orbits, and even look into their potential for future space missions. As space exploration ramps up, asteroids like 2024 PT5 could one day become valuable resources for fuel or materials needed to travel deeper into our solar system. It's also a reminder that space isn't just something out there far from Earth. It's right here, influencing our planet in ways we're still learning about. Minimoons, near-Earth asteroids, and even the far-off stars all play a role in shaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So, as 2024 PT5 makes its brief appearance, think of it as a tiny visitor passing through, giving us a unique chance to learn more about the vastness of space. Who knows? Maybe the next minimoon will be closer, brighter, or packed with discoveries that will help us unlock the next chapter in space exploration. Stay curious and keep looking up, because the universe is always full of surprises. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.